Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about a new scam that is like mini mobile ATM. Okay, so the scam is like when you purchase these kind of, you can say, you have seen lots of advertisement on your social media accounts, like when you purchase these kind of courses and you can generate lots of amount and all. So they are, you can say, claiming or like they are guarantee you like you will get good amount by using any kind of, you can say, like we can say, like if you use their product, you can learn lots of things and you can generate lots of amount. So what is the scam? The first scam is that is like when you see any kind of advertisement, when you purchase the product, the link provider, or you can say the advertisement, or you can say the brand will get highly commissions because they basically this is a like affiliate product. Okay, and when you purchase the course, and the link provider will get highly commissions. Okay, and if you get like when you purchase the course, and when you want to like you if you like, we can say, like when you use the, you can say, these kind of courses, you will not get anything. Okay, you will get pre-recording videos and all the recordings and all the, you can say, like all the courses information are just informing you like how you can generate any money by using affiliate links. And they will also mention you like as they sell the course to you, you can also sell the same course to other one and you can generate the same money. Okay, so basically this is a cycle of affiliate marketing, and you cannot get any kind of, you can say, skill and all. You are going to waste your money. So be aware and be safe, be secure, save your hard-earned money. These kind of courses are waste of money and you cannot get anything. Okay, so this is the information. As you know, if you purchase the product, maybe like thousands and hundreds of, you can say, people will also purchase the same kind of course, and they will also apply the same kind of thing as you are going to apply. So how you can get your money? Okay, so how you can get, or you can say how you can earn the money? There are lots of issues, like one idea will, you can say, circulate in, you can say, hundreds and thousands and lakhs of people will you can say using the same idea. So there is a lots of competition when you use these kind of tactics. There are lots of competition, so you have to be very careful, and please don't use these kind of, you can say, like courses and all. Don't purchase. Okay, so this is the information. Now you can make your own decision what you have to do. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.